Yo, how's it going, everyone? So I'm gonna try to test out the one second. How's it going? I'm gonna try to test out the audio today on this GoPro, this Hero 4 right here. I've never tried to vlog with this camera before, and the mic that I have from my Canon is kind of like the base for it's broken off, so I just had it like taped onto it. So we're gonna try to vlog with this today. I'm not doing a whole lot, but I figured we can, for my my own sake, for testing out the microphone on this camera, I'm gonna do a little room tour, and I'm gonna go outside and get some food. Okay, so when you walk into my apartment, here's my front door, and right to your right will be the bathroom. So here's the shower, and I'm surprised a glass door is in this apartment because most Taiwanese apartments, at least the ones that I've seen, don't have anything blocking off the shower head and the faucet from the rest of the bathroom. But this one does. I use this rack to hold my dishes, and on the bottom I have dish soap and laundry detergent and stuff like that, cleaner, because I don't have a kitchen space in here. Here's my sink. I got a little shelf here. It came with this fake plant. I did not buy this. Of course, I have a hair dryer up there, and then, you know, towel rack. Hang a towel on the back of the door too. Yeah, that's my bathroom. Okay, so right now, this is like a full view of my room. It's kind of a mess right now, and that's because I'm still not done unpacking. I just got this suitcase back from a friend's house. I left it there over the summer. I've got clothes out there drying, and there's my AC. I have a laundry machine that I share with 2 other rooms, I believe, and then I don't have a dryer, so I have to hang dry all my clothes. And in Taipei, where it's really humid and rains a lot, that can take a long time, sometimes like 3 or 4 days. So let me show you my view. It's not really even a view. My apartment building is surrounded by other apartment buildings on the back and the left and right, so it's just some other buildings really, and I'm on the 2nd floor, so I don't really see a whole lot. Yeah, okay. And then what we didn't see when we walked in was my dresser. Keeps my other suitcases up there. The one that I have in that corner won't fit. Clothes in here. I don't have a desk, so I just have a bunch of stuff sitting there right now. And the funniest thing probably is my computer. What I usually do is get a pillow and sit on the floor, and that's where I work on my computer, or I use my laptop. And I want to get a desk and set it right underneath the TV, and then I want to get like shelving to put over there in that corner. So I can actually have some more stuff put up, because right now I have a bunch of calligraphy stuff and carving stuff, and this is like some sewing stuff. All that kind of just piled on, and this is like so full right now. Yeah, I keep some like a stovetop underneath there for cooking. And here's my rice cooker. I used that last night, so it's still out. Yeah. This is pretty much what you can get in Taipei as a foreigner. I pay 10,000 NT a month. So what is that? That's like a little bit more than $300 a month. So it's pretty small, but it's in a pretty good location. I'm only 1 subway stop away from my school, and I'm like a 5-minute walk, maybe from the subway station, and I skateboard anyway, so it's not a big deal. And on top of that, I'm right next to a 7-Eleven, and I'm right next to a Poya, which is like Poya is like a kind of like like as close as you can get to a Walmart here. They sell a lot of like cosmetic stuff, house good stuff, and like some food. And I'm right inside of a night market. And usually, being inside of a night market is like a not good thing because of the noise and sometimes the smell. But I don't notice any smell here. And what I mean by smell is like smell from like restaurants. And since I'm on the second floor and I'm kind of in the back of the building, I don't hear any noise either. So, yeah, I don't notice it at all. It's been pretty good. Time to go to the ATM, and then we're gonna go get some food. Alright, so I'm walking up to my apartment again. I decided to get McDonald's today because I forgot it's Mid-Autumn Festival today. And I'm out of groceries, so restaurants are closed, and I didn't feel like going out too far to get stuff. Hey everyone, so one thing that I didn't do yesterday actually was just wrap up the vlog. I talked a little bit about Taiwan and stuff like that, but I'll do an actual wrap up right now. I know I didn't show much in this video, but I thought people back home might want to see what my apartment's like. And let me know if you guys have any other ideas for videos that I could post. There's a lot to do in Taiwan, so I might actually just upload a video of me like skateboarding here or just walking around. Yeah, there's a lot of cool stuff to see, so let me know if you have any suggestions. Please like the video, please subscribe, and hopefully you're here for the next video.